What's going on, y'all? Want to get straight to it. I finally reached to the $50 bar. Now I can pull out $50. It took me probably like 4 months to get to it, and 2 to 3 months. Why? Because I had a lot of stuff going on, and I didn't really think too much of this app, and I realized that this app is kind of nice. But that's when I start realizing it more that this app is kind of nice. And once I start realizing that, I put a little bit more work into it, but not as much. It could be a little pain in the butt. But what I say is, for a reasonable time to get to the $50 threshold, bonus, whatever, you can do it in about 3 weeks to a month. Trust me, it's I got a lot of stuff though. I do a lot of different programs, so that's the main thing. No excuse, but that's the main thing. And my referrals ain't really doing anything, so I really got this mainly for me. I mean, I have some referrals that but mainly this was me. So I'm gonna show you, how you or how I make the money, the easiest way. So the easiest way is just to play games. I'll come here, just like you should when you join. You'll come here and you download games and play games. That's pretty much it. Now, I ain't gonna trip overly, because I overly kind of trip. Now, my referrals did go crazy, but I go crazy too, guys. I mean, my referrals do help, but I've mainly been doing this. If you can go all the way back from, I'd say about 4 or 5 months ago, you can see that I started off going, crazy in my referrals. But yeah, my referrals go crazy. Like on July 3rd, my referrals went crazy with 3,000 points and 360. I went crazy at 27,752. So stuff like that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, so I'm going crazy, just letting you know that I'm going crazy in these programs. I ain't playing no games. But I'll be showing you a payment proof soon, letting you know that it pays. And yes, it pays. I don't know if I showed you guys a payment proof with this app, but I know for sure that I showed, about this app, give you a review of it and, stuff like that. If I did show a payment proof, I'm going to show you another one. But I never showed you a payment proof of, cashing out $50 with this opportunity. So just can't wait, guys. I've been waiting for this. I'm not even gonna lie, like, this is one of the journeys where I'm excited as far as this day, because I remember the day when I first got in this app and I was looking, I'm like, how can I get to the $50 mark? And I'm here. Guys. So just gotta focus and you'll be there too, guys. Alright, don't give up, keep going. And if you really want to get referrals, it's not about pitching, this program. It's all about finding traffic programs. And I'm going to be talking about a little bit more here, soon. Just stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Get in tune with me. Gmail me ASAP, please. 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 Alright, Mr. MC. It's your boy. Let's get it. Let's go. Come join. I had a link below the description. And come join, come to, support LTC, man. Laptop Clothing, come support Laptop Clothing Store. I'm mush mouth right now. But yeah, go support Laptop Clothing, all right? Blah, 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 blah. Go support, man. It's your boy. Let's get it. You dig? I'm out. For real, for real. Let's go.